This is a demonstration video of calculations done with the code cadRCS. On the right side you see a picture that is showing all calculations in each elevation and azimuth angle. In the authors of this circle is 0 elevation. As you go inside this circle, your elevation will rise, and in the center you will have 19 degrees elevation. In the middle you see the calculations done by cadRCS. This is a picture that only can be calculated. A normal radar or any radar can ever make such a picture. A radar can only see phase centers and not from where the reflection comes. It is not possible with a radar. With a radar you will see, for one corner reflector for example, you will only see one point, the middle of the corner reflector. It's a phase center. And in cadRCS, a corner reflector will be totally red because all facets on such a corner reflector have an impact on the reflection. On the picture to the right, you can then click and move the show to that point where you want. This is of course a good idea when you want to investigate hot areas, so you can see on the pictures in the middle where that comes from. Total to the left you have a normal polar plot for each elevation. It changes when elevation changes. Sometimes you don't see the whole picture in the middle, it's cut off because of limitation in buffers. All calculation is done, but it's only the show that's not in that code called movie showing the results from cadRCS. But the calculation is done, all calculation is done. With cadRCS you can do simultaneously calculation of 4 frequencies at the same time. You can also have 2 receivers at the same time, but only one transmitter. If you need to have a calculation with another transmitter, you need to run the calculation again. This calculations and show is made on a Macintosh. It can also be done on a Windows system, but it's not running so smoothly and good on a Windows machine. But whenever you decide to buy cadRCS, a Mac is much less expensive than cadRCS, so it's a good idea to invest in a Mac machine. I hope you enjoy the show, and there are also other demonstrations on my homepage. I hope you'll enjoy those as well. It will show other features of my code cadRCS.